the future of water. It's in the capacity to innovate, to build a circular, resilient, and smart system.
Now we're here today to talk about delivering the water transition. So Bruno, can you tell us what's Suez's perspective on what's needed to really deliver change here in Europe?
Hi, Sebastian. Nice being here. Well, I want to focus on innovation. This is where I believe a difference can be made. It is a key to deliver capacity to tackle water challenges, okay? I would define innovation as a way to increase health and well-being of communities. I will also define it as being the way to increase resilience of territories and protecting our planet.
You talk about resilience. I know we've had this new water resilience strategy in Europe, but we've also had a lot of change on the wastewater side. So as utilities approach a new generation of wastewater treatment, have you got any examples, any knowledge to share on that?
Actually, there are two examples I would like to share with you. The first one would be maybe the wastewater treatment plant that Suez is currently building in the city of Nice, in the south of France. This is a very large wastewater treatment plant. Actually, I believe that's the biggest currently under construction in Europe. It covers roughly 700,000 inhabitants. Couple of KPIs for you. It will remove 90% of microplastics and will produce 4 times more energy than it needs to work. So with this wastewater treatment plant, we're really building a circular ecosystem, which is a way to put together, reconcile water, energy, and globally nature. That would be my first example. I also want to elaborate on the second one, quite different. Take a case in Denmark, okay, in which we're working with public authorities to tackle the challenge of micropollutants, okay? And here we are upgrading plants up to 150,000 inhabitants, plus a hospital in a neighboring area, hence the issue of micropollutants. And here the objective is to ensure cleaner water so as to make it safer environment.
And in order to deliver those sorts of projects in the future, that sort of change, what do you think needs to change in the conversation in the water sector?
Well, the answer to the question relies on the capacity to put the challenge at the right level, which is, to me, I believe, about excellence in operation, performance, innovation, and technology. This is clearly, to me, the future of water. It's in the capacity to innovate so as to build a circular, resilient, and smart system, all in all.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Sebastian.
Thank you for coming.